Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at what is inside this Matrix rowing machine console. Okay, so we're going to open up the back of this console. There are 4 screws at the back that we need to open. Okay, so if you take a look, there's one here, one down here, and another one over here. So there are 4 screws that we need to open and take out. Okay, so once the 4 screws has been removed, we should be able to move the cover out like this. Okay, so let's take a look. Here at the back of the console you can see there are batteries components. So if the battery has been deteriorating, we can try to replace it. So just hold down by the cables right here. So you can see it's holding down by this cable, and the battery sits into this compartment. So we can just disconnect this and remove the battery. Okay, so that's how you can remove the unit. Quite straightforward. Just 4 screws at 2 screws at the top, 2 at the bottom, and this is the inside component of your Matrix rowing machine. Thank you for watching this video.